In this video, you'll learn how to write documentation using Claude Code. By following these steps, you will create a structured folder for your documentation, generate content using Claude Code, and manage your documentation files effectively. Start by creating a dedicated folder for your documentation. Open your command line interface and enter the command manage my docs to create a new folder named docs. After that, navigate into this folder by typing cd docs. This organization helps keep your documentation files manageable and easy to locate. Next, determine the scope of your documentation. Consider what information is essential for your project. This may include a project overview, setup and installation instructions, an API or function reference usage examples, and a contribution guide. Clearly defining your documentation needs will streamline the writing process. Now it's time to generate the documentation using Claude Code, generate followed by your documentation request in quotes. For example, you can input Claude generate write professional project documentation, including overviews, setup instructions, usage examples, API reference, and contribution guide -output documentation. This command instructs Claude Code to create a markdown file named quote containing the specified content. Once the documentation file is generated, you can read or copy its content directly in your command line. Instead of using a text editor, type get content documentation.med quote to display the file's content in the console. This method allows you to easily select and copy the text for use in other applications like GitHub or Markdown previews. To move the documentation file to your repository, use the command move documentation.med docs if you want it to reside in a docs folder within your repository. After moving, navigate to the docs folder by typing cdec docs. This ensures that your documentation is properly placed for version control. Finally, commit and push your changes to the repository. First, add the documentation file with the command git add documentation.med. Then, commit the changes by typing git commit -m add project documentation using Claude Code. To push the committed changes to your remote repository, use git push origin branch name, replacing branch name with the appropriate branch you are working on. If you need to update existing documentation, you can repeat the generation step. Use the command Claude generate update existing documentation.meta to include new features and fixes -output documentation.meta2. After the update, display the content again with get content documentation.mh quote to copy the new information as needed.